Assalamu alaikum students. I hope all of you are well today. Today we are going to talk about something very interesting. We are going to talk about All India Muslim League और हम ये भी पढ़ेंगे कि उसको इस्टेब्लिश करने की वजह क्या थी. सबसे पहले हम थोड़ा रिकैप लेते हैं. And let me remind you what we studied before. We studied about the role of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Remember? आपको याद होगा that he wanted to keep the Muslims away from the politics because उनके ख्याल में Muslims ready नहीं थे politics में जाने के लिए. That is why he managed to keep the Muslims away from the Indian National Congress, the party dealing with the politics of subcontinent at that time. और क्या आपको पता है उस पार्टी का फाउंडर कौन था? Alan Octavian Hume was a British member of the Indian Civil Service, a political reformer, and a botanist who worked in British India. He was one of the founders of the Indian National Congress, which he founded in 1985. So आप देख सकते हैं कि it was not a national party and it was only serving the Hindus. इसीलिए Muslims हमेशा they felt very much disturbed and ignored by this fact. अब सवाल ये पैदा होता है कि मुसलमान उससे पहले पॉलिटिक्स में क्यों नहीं गए? असल में they were trying to regain their education, which was disrupted by Macaulay's plan. Macaulay played a major role in the introduction of English and Western concepts to education in India, and he published his argument on the subject in the Macaulay's Minute in 1935. आपको मैं बताती हूँ कि उसने उसमें बात क्या की थी. To sum up what I have said, it is clear that we are not fettered by the Act of Parliament of 1813, that we are not fettered by any pledge expressed or implied, that we are free to employ our funds as we choose, that we ought to employ them in teaching what is best worth knowing, that English is better worth knowing than Sanskrit or Arabic, that the natives are desirous to be taught English and are not desirous to be taught Sanskrit or Arabic, that neither as the languages of law nor as the languages of religion have the Sanskrit or Arabic any peculiar claim to our engagement, that it is possible to make natives of this country thoroughly good English scholars, and that to this end our efforts ought to be directed. So students, Muslims after all this needed to regain their education system as well as they had to regain their language. That is why they avoided to go into politics. अब हम ये देखते हैं कि after all this, ऐसे क्या circumstances हो गई और ऐसी क्या situation आ गई which led to the establishment of All India Muslim League, and also why was it established? The very first reason was the one which I told you earlier. As this party was totally in the favor of Hindus, the Indian National Congress, even the top positions of the party were occupied by these extremists. Therefore, Muslims felt an urging. They wanted to establish any political party which can serve the rights of Muslims and work in the favor of Muslims. Hence, All India Muslim League was founded. एक और वजह ये भी हो सकती है that the extremist parties such as Arya Samaj, Hindu Mahashbha, etc. were scaring the Muslims by endangering their life. So for this reason, the All India Muslim League was developed. And आपको partition of Bengal की बात तो याद होगी. The partition separated the largely Muslim eastern areas from the largely Hindu western areas on 16th October 1905. After being announced on 20th July 1905 by Lord Curzon. उस वक्त he was the Viceroy of India. That created a whole new situation. The East Bengal was having the Muslim majority, and the Hindus never accepted the Muslims to flourish, and they never wanted the Muslims to flourish. So they continuously started to ask for the annulment. And for this opposition, the Muslims needed a political party so that they could protect themselves and they could protect themselves politically. असल में मुस्लिम्स रियली हैड नो हैंड इन द पार्टीशन ऑफ बंगाल, बट जब ये अनाउंस हुआ गया था तो दे ग्लैडली वेलकम्ड इट। और उसकी वजह सिर्फ ये थी दैट द प्रोविंस वाज टू बिग, जैसा आपको मैप में नजर आ रहा है, जबकि ब्रिटिश डिड इट ओनली फॉर एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव कन्वीनियंस। स्टूडेंट्स, एक और वजह ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम लीग बनने की ये भी थी, which was language issue. Hindus wanted to replace the Urdu language with Hindi, and they were always ignoring Arabic and Persian scripts. And they wanted the Hindi scripts to be a part of the government and political affairs. For this reason, Muslims struggled hard to protect their rights and also to protect their language by establishment of All India Muslim League and also by standing on this platform. अब अगर हम summarize करें तो we can say that it was the lack of education due to which Muslims were isolated from Western and technical education. So it became a factor of promoting this Muslim political party. And with the expression of religious color and language, we can promote that the Muslims political party was established. अब पार्टी बनने के बाद important चीज ये आती है that what would be the basic objectives of the party? What are the needs of All India Muslim League? Objectives इसके बहुत clear थे. Number 1, they wanted to promote loyalty of Indian Muslims towards the British government. Number 2, they wanted to protect the political and other rights of the Indian Muslims and to place their needs and aspirations before the government. Number 3, to overcome the feeling of hostility among Muslims towards other communities. अब आपको पता है कि ये लीग कहाँ बनी गई थी? It was founded in Dhaka, Bangladesh, in the Bengal Presidency in 1906 with the support of prominent leaders such as Muhammad Ali Jinnah, A.K. Fazul Haq, Agha Khan, Nawab Waqarul Mulk. चलें, अब इस एपिसोड के कुछ मेन पॉइंट्स पर गौर करते हैं. Number 1, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan wanted to keep the Muslims away from the politics and also from the Indian National Congress. Number 2, Indian National Congress was only serving the Hindus, and that is why Muslims felt disturbed and ignored. Number 3, Muslims were trying to regain their education, which was disrupted by Macaulay's plan. Number 4, the extremist parties such as Arya Samaj, Hindu Mahashpa, etc. were scaring the Muslims and endangering their life. So All India Muslim League was developed. Number 5, the partition of Bengal created a whole new different situation. The East Bengal was having the Muslim majority and Hindus never accepted the Muslims to flourish. So they continuously started to ask for the annulment. And for this opposition, the Muslims needed a political party so that they could protect themselves politically. Number 6, the objectives were to promote loyalty towards the Indian Muslims, to protect the political rights, and also to overcome feeling of hostility. चलें, अब हम अपना टेस्ट लेंगे और देखेंगे कि हमने आज के एपिसोड से क्या सीखा. Question number 1. The All India Muslim League was founded in Dash. In Dhaka, Bangladesh, in the Bengal Presidency. Question number 2. The prominent personalities were Dash. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Fazlul Haq, Agha Khan, and Nawab Waqarul Mulk. Question number 3. The important reason for the establishment of All India Muslim League was Dash. Partition of Bengal, language issue, educational issue. Question number 4. Congress was Dash the Muslims. Ignoring. Question number 5. Muslims had Dash hand in the partition of Bengal. No hand. Students, अगली एपिसोड तक अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिए. अल्लाह हाफिज.